Enhance your driving experience with a perfect combination of superior performance and environmentally friendly technology in the 2025 Lexus RX Hybrid. This luxury SUV not only offers sophistication in design and comfort, but is also an environmentally friendly choice for future car enthusiasts. Exterior design. Elegant and aerodynamic. The 2025 Lexus RX Hybrid features a charming design with elegant and aerodynamic lines. The sharp front grille with chrome accents provides an eye-catching modern touch, while the sharp design LED headlights provide optimal illumination and clarity on the road. The athletic silhouette and subtle aesthetic details, such as the stylish alloy wheels, provide an impression of unrivaled luxury. Hybrid performance, power and efficiency. Under the hood, the 2025 Lexus RX Hybrid features a 3.5-liter V6 gasoline engine combined with an electric motor for balanced power and excellent fuel efficiency. This hybrid system not only provides responsive acceleration and strong performance, but also reduces the vehicle's carbon footprint, making it an ideal choice for those who care about the environment. Advanced safety technology. Lexus has always put safety first, and the 2025 Lexus RX Hybrid is no less in this regard. Equipped with various advanced safety features, such as the Lexus Safety System Plus, this car offers maximum protection with features such as a pre-collision system, lane departure alert, adaptive cruise control, and more. An ambient sensing system and 360-degree camera also ensure you can drive confidently in all conditions. The 2025 Lexus RX Hybrid isn't just a luxury SUV. It is the embodiment of sophistication, comfort, and environmental consciousness in one vehicle. With stunning design, leading-edge technology, superior hybrid performance, and comprehensive safety features, the Lexus RX Hybrid delivers an unmatched driving experience. Are you looking for the perfect combination of luxury and eco-friendliness? 2025 Lexus RX Hybrid is ready to take you to a better car future.